Let us say you want to present a definition on your slide. Now in this definition, you want the viewers to focus on certain words. The words are that it is a strategic marketing and that it is about providing valuable, relevant and consistent content, and it is about targeting a clearly defined audience, and finally it needs to be profitable. So these are certain words that you want to bring the attention of the audience to. So how do you do it? The normal way of approaching is to make those words bold, or you may want to underline those words. Now I'm going to show you a different way to draw the viewer's attention to each of those words. On a click, you can see that the first word is brought into focus. I provide my explanation as to why the marketing needs to be strategic. Then I draw the viewer's attention to the next set of words, which is valuable, relevant and consistent, and I talk about the need for them to be the way they are. Then we talk about the next important parameter, and then we talk about the final parameter. So how do we achieve this interesting effect? How do we ensure that our definitions are remembered by the audience? Let me show you how easy it is to create this. I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We share creative PowerPoint ideas to help professionals like you create engaging presentations. Here we have the definition on the slide. When I select this, you can see that this is nothing but text. The first step is to convert this into a picture. But before that, we need to give this text box white background. So let me click on the bounding box, then go to Shape Fill and use white background. The next step is to click on the bounding box again, right click and say cut. Then right click and use the second option, which allows you to paste this as a picture. Now what you see here is a picture and it is not text, so I cannot select the individual words here. Then let me duplicate this box by pressing Ctrl D. Now as you can see, since we have filled this box with white background, you cannot see the text behind it, and that's a very important thing for us. Now let me move this over here and let us say I want to draw the viewer's attention to just this word called strategic. The way I can do that is by using the crop tool. So let me go to the crop tool and then we are going to cut out everything and just leave only that particular word. Now when I select outside, you can see that this is the word that we are going to use, and let us place this right over the original position. Now the next step is to go to animations and then add an emphasis animation to this one. So let us go to emphasis and then say grow shrink animation, and you can see that that particular word is now growing in size. When I go to animation pane, you can see that we have that available on click. So when I go to slideshow to present the slide, I read out the definition first. Then to bring the viewer's attention to just one word, I click and that particular word pops out, and then I talk about the importance of that particular word. Now you can follow the same process to draw the viewer's attention to other words that require emphasis. Once you have a certain animation applied to one word, you can always use Animation Painter to pick up the same animation and apply it to the other ones. Now in the example that I showed you, I went a bit further by adding red outline to these boxes and also by making them bold. These kind of simple variations can add even more visual interest to your definitions. So did you like this simple tip? If you did, then you will really like this playlist that we have put together for you with useful PowerPoint tips. These are short videos that you can binge watch and you can really improve your PowerPoint skill. So go ahead and click on the link and watch the playlist right away.